Fiat, an iconic name that's been synonymous with Italian automotive innovation for over a century. From humble beginnings in Turin, Italy, to becoming a global powerhouse, Fiat's story is filled with triumphs, challenges, and remarkable transformations. So how did this Italian company become one of the most influential car makers in the world? Let's dive into the story of Fiat. Our story begins in 1899. A group of Italian entrepreneurs, led by Giovanni Agnelli, founded Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, or simply Fiat. The company produced its first car, the 3.5 horsepower, in 1900, and from the very start, innovation was in Fiat's DNA. While other European companies were still figuring out car production, Fiat was already expanding beyond Italy. By the 1920s and 1930s, Fiat had already become a major industrial force. They diversified into everything from trains to airplanes and, of course, cars. One of their breakthrough models during this time was the Fiat 500 Topolino, launched in 1936, which became one of the smallest and most affordable cars in the world. As Fiat expanded internationally, it became clear that they were shaping not just Italian automotive culture, but the global one as well. Like many European companies, Fiat's production was heavily impacted by World War II. During the war, Fiat shifted gears to focus on military vehicles and equipment. However, the aftermath of the war brought an opportunity for Fiat to help rebuild Italy, both literally and figuratively. With the war over, Fiat entered a new golden era. One of Fiat's most legendary cars was born in 1957, the Fiat 500. Designed as an affordable, efficient car for the masses, the 500 became a symbol of post-war Italy's economic recovery and the rise of the middle class. Small, stylish, and practical, it became one of the best-selling cars in Europe, cementing Fiat's place as a household name. Fiat's influence grew throughout the 1960s and 70s as it expanded globally, especially in Latin America, where Fiat cars became immensely popular. However, the company wasn't immune to economic difficulties. The oil crisis of the 1970s and labor strikes in Italy posed significant challenges. Despite this, Fiat continued to innovate, acquiring other brands, including Ferrari and Lancia, and launching successful models like the Panda and Uno. Fast forward to the early 2000s, Fiat faced major financial difficulties. But in 2009, a bold decision was made. Fiat merged with the struggling American automaker Chrysler. Under the leadership of Sergio Marchionne, the two companies formed Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, FCA, in 2014, bringing together an Italian automotive legend with an American icon. Today, Fiat is part of Stellantis, a multinational corporation formed from the merger of FCA and France's PSA Group in 2021. With a focus on electric and sustainable mobility, Fiat is once again looking towards the future. From its humble beginnings in Turin to becoming a global automotive leader, the story of Fiat is a testament to innovation, resilience, and the passion for creating vehicles that move the world forward. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive stories and history.